Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can extract data from a website using one of Excel's most powerful tool called Power Query. For your information, not a lot of Excel users knows the existence of Power Query. Okay, Power Query, as the name implies, is really, really powerful if you want to be able to work with your data effectively. Okay, so I'll take you through these three simple steps. First, we're going to grab the website address. Number two, we're going to go to our Excel and then go to our data menu, paste that website address, and then we'll see the magic. Okay, so if you want to know more of this function and any other function, you can contact us at Land4 Accountancy for trainings on Excel spreadsheet, on Google Sheet online spreadsheet, and other trainings like trainings on finance, accountancy, management, and HR. Okay, so I'll take you through. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to go to the website where I'm going to get the table, where I'm going to get the web address. So this website happened to be Central Bank of the Gambia's website. Okay, I'm on the website at the moment. Please take note, the website that you should go to should have data in a tabular form. Okay, as you can see here, I have two tables here, the table on the T-bills in their numbers, and then the table on T-bills in percentages. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the link for this website. I'm going to copy the link for this website. Now come here, I highlight, right click and say copy. Okay, so I have copied the link for the website. Then next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to go back to my Excel spreadsheet and use the Power Query from there. Okay, so this is my Excel spreadsheet. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Data tab. Okay, this is the Data tab. Okay, and on a section called Get and Transform. Okay, Get and Transform. So that's where I'm going to get this Power Query function. So all the functions here are regarding Power Query. So what I want to do specifically is to get data from the web. So I just hover my mouse until I see from web, then I just click on that. Okay, and a small menu will display, which is asking for the URL or the web address. So I right click here and say paste. And then I say, okay. Right. So once I say, okay, it's going to do some work. Okay, it's going to do some work. Right. So it has given me the various options, the various data that's available. So you click on table 0, you see, you've seen the preview of the data. You click on table 1, this is the data that is there. Exactly, this is what we saw. So if we want a web view, we can just click on the web view. Then we will see, as they will appear on the website. Okay, so what we need is the table view. Okay, so from here, what we're going to do is, let's say we just want to extract only the first table. Okay, we want to extract data from only the table 1. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go here and say, click at the bottom, transform data. Okay, so once you say transform data, the Power Query editor window will display. Okay, the Power Query editor window will display. Okay, so this will display showing the table that I want to extract. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and say load. So I'm going to say close and load. Okay, close and load. And look at it. It's doing the magic, extracting data. Can you see? Okay, now it's ready. It has extracted the data as per the central bank website. So what I have done is I've highlighted only the second table. The second table is the one with the percentages. Okay, so this is how you link your website with tables, with data in a tabular form to your Excel spreadsheet. What's going to happen is tomorrow or another day, if these numbers change, they keep changing, at least on a weekly basis or a fortnightly basis, these numbers change. So what you do is you don't have to go and link it again, but then you only come here, right click and refresh. Once you say refresh, whatever numbers that have been updated on the central bank website are going to be updated here as well. I hope you enjoy this video on Power Query. There are loads and loads of functions. There are loads and loads of possibilities with Power Queries. Power Query is so beautiful and it can save your day. So if you want to know more about Power Query and any other Excel function, join one of our trainings. Thank you so much. Have a pleasant day. Bye. Uh-huh.